this video, I'll be showing you how easy we've made it at LiveArea to get familiar with the Spartacus headless commerce experience I discussed in a previous video. Now, for this demonstration, we'll be using the out-of-the-box electronics and apparel demo stores, not the Hearthstone restaurant supply store. But in principle, the same process will apply when we create other demo packages in the future. To run the demo, we've created a pre-configured Docker container that we can run with literally a single Docker command. I'm on a Mac here, but the process is identical for Linux and similar for Windows. The only prerequisites are that you have Docker installed, you're logged into your Docker Hub account, and you have access to the private repo we keep this image in. I'll enter the Docker command, and then we'll talk through it. So as we look at this command, first we tell Docker that we're going to run something. We give it a name, SAP 2005 container, so we can use that later. Otherwise, Docker will give it a random name. Next, we tell it how to map the ports that are required for SAP Commerce and the Spartacus front end. And finally, we tell it the image we want to run. In this case, the image is in my Docker Hub repo, and it has this name. So we hit enter, and off it goes. It's starting up in the background, but we can monitor the progress by doing docker logs-f SAP 2005 container, the name we gave it earlier. So now we're watching the log as it starts up. All that's left now is to go make a cup of coffee and come back when it's done. Okay, we're back. Now that it's done starting up, we can browse the sample sites to our heart's content by just browsing to them on our local machine. We see we have the electronics store, and I can also go to the UK apparel store. And it's worth noting that both these sites are fully functional and are running as two storefronts in one Angular system.